Hello, and welcome to my class today. We're going to be talking about how to run a class, how to get involved with doTERRA essential oils, and why you might want to do that. So you may have been thinking about using doTERRA essential oils. You may have been thinking about starting your own business. I want to show you how easy it is to get started using the oils, to find out how valuable they are in your life, and maybe give you a couple tips on ways that you haven't thought about to use these essential oils. So I'm going to share my screen here and take you to a guide. And let me make it a little bigger. So this is our simple guide. There's 24 pages to this guide, and I'm going to run you through these pages so that you can get to know a little bit more about how you can use essential oils for your health, this brand, why you use this brand of essential oils, and how easy it is to turn this into a business. First, they are safe, affordable, and effective. Essential oils are extracted from different parts of the plant, 50 to 70 times more powerful than herbs. So maybe you've used peppermint tea before to calm your stomach or to make you feel uplifted a little bit. Did you know that 1 drop of doTERRA's peppermint oil is the same as 28 cups? And you might think, oh my gosh, this is so strong. It's very strong, but we use this to calm our stomach, to clear our mind, I use it at home to get rid of spiders, to get rid of mice. There's so many different uses for it. So I just want to introduce you to a couple today. The thing that you need to know about the reason that we choose this brand is that they're potent, they're pure, and they're safe. There's 3 ways to use them. You can smell them, which is aromatically. You can put them on your skin or the bottom of your feet, and you can use them internally. Now, the key to this is education. They cannot all be used internally. They cannot all be used topically, and they can be used aromatically, but they're not all safe for children, for cats, for dogs, for horses. So you need to learn just a little bit about them. We learn slow and steady, and we share stories on Saturday mornings at 9 o'clock. In general, yes, they're safe for your children. Diluted, you want to dilute them. And as you go along learning how to use them 1 oil at a time, we bring plenty of research from local universities in this country and out of this country, from doctors, from our groups of aromatherapists and physicians. There's just so many people that we talk to that study these in university settings. They go through 14 different tests to find out their efficacy, to make sure that they are safe before they even hit the bottle and go out on the market. So we look at things for different categories of health and wellness and lifestyle. One of these is digestive support, because we all have digestive systems. We need to be able to properly digest our food. And sometimes during the summer, we're going into the summer right now, there are parties that we go to and not all foods agree with us. So having Digest Zen on hand is really important. And yes, this is safe for children and for dogs. Having a healthy weight, that might be on your list of things to do this year. Bring my weight back down into a healthy level. We have Slim and Sassy for that. If you're exercising, which is another part of good health, you may get sore muscles. Sore muscles are a sign of exercising well. By the way, when your muscles are sore after you've exercised, it means you're building them. If you don't get those sore muscles, it means you haven't really exercised enough. So plan on sore muscles when you exercise, and plan to have deep blue around to soothe those muscles so you can get to where you want to go, but not have to be in such agony and pain afterwards. Sleep. huge, important element to our healthy lifestyle. Most of us don't get enough sleep. Some of us don't even know how much we get or don't get. So to ensure that you're getting sleep, Serenity oil is an element that you can add to your regimen in order to help you go into a nice deep sleep. Aroma Touch, they call this a massage in a bottle. So if you feel tense, Natalie Goddard made a comment here on the page, and she's one of the wellness advocates in doTERRA, just like you could be if you chose to do that. She's got 7 children, and at the end of the day, she's tired. So she just puts a couple drops on her neck and rubs it into her neck and shoulders before she goes to bed. And she feels like she is doing her personal self-care. That's really important. And it helps her to get the rest that she needs to get back to it the next day, because you know those 7 little kids aren't going to let her off the hook. Immune support has been really important in this last COVID 3 years and moving onward. On Guard is a key element to my personal immune care. I spray it all around my house. I spray it in my car, I spray it on my hands before I go into a public place, spray it in my mouth. I use lozenges. On Guard Plus, if I start to get a little sore throat, there's caplets that you take that can help with preventing those germs from multiplying in your body. It's amazing. Sore throat on Monday, On Guard Plus Monday night. Tuesday, I am back in action, ready to go. Something that you should look into if you want to build that immune system. Green cleaning. Our cleaning products, are amazing. They smell fantastic and they're not toxic. This is the thing, when you're breathing them in, if by chance, God forbid, your child get into the cabinet with the cleaning products, you're going to call health 911 or call, what's it called? Poison control. And they're going to say, what products are you using? And you're not going to say Clorox, Tilex, 409 cleaner, ammonia. You're going to say doTERRA. And they're not going to say, go to the hospital. They're going to say, oh, okay, well, maybe whatever they say. But it's not, you don't have to worry about your child dying or getting their throat burned when you use these products. And here's the kicker. They work. They really work. It's amazing. Give them a try. We have a new line called the Abode line. And I'll tell you what, they just did themselves proud when they created these formulas. So something to try in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your whole house. For focus, we have oils to help focus. Focus is really important because sometimes our minds don't work exactly the way that we like them to. From the age of a child through the age of a senior, we all need to focus, and Intune helps with that. Past tense. A quick story that I can share. A man came into my house to do some home repairs, got a migraine headache. He said, I get these all the time. It's just so debilitating. And I asked him if he would be willing to try something different that was safe and effective. And he said, yes. So I went up to my room, got my past tense roll on, just like this bottle, brought it downstairs, rolled it on the back of his neck. And in 5 minutes, he said, what the heck was that you gave me? My migraine is gone. It was amazing. It was just simply amazing. I'll tell you what, if you know anyone with migraines or you get them yourself, this is a great oil to have. And we have cellular support for your overall health. I can't say enough about our cellular support system. It has been looked at by universities. It's been tested. It helps bring down inflammation in the body. And we can go through this a little bit more in depth. There's packets that you can get and take them every day. And, you know, it's super important to keep our body healthy so that it can go on and look young, feel young, and be strong enough to deal with things that are coming our way. This is something that I use every day, and I'm so glad that I do. Feeling great. Get the kids started nice and young on, teach them. They don't have to go the old route with the chemicals and the toxins. There's another way to live. We use these for our babies. There's oils that are safe for the babies and for pregnant women, birthing babies, just to feel better about it. And the nurses like it too. Women need help during the times of their period. Even for me, Clary Calm helps me to relax and feel grounded. And I'm not in my childbearing years, but I really enjoy this oil. When you're out in nature and you're going to get outside, you want TerraShield to help keep the bugs away. Cedar wood is great for keeping the bugs away. Citronella is good for keeping the bugs away. There are a number of different oils that we have for that. And Purify is great for your skin and to just make the area smell good. If you tent, and a tent can tend to get musty and moldy smelling, a couple drops of Purify and a diffuser in your tent, and it's like you just walked into a spa. So being outdoors, we have lots of oils that we can share for outdoor use. Even at the beach, there's oils that we can use for being at the beach to help us really enjoy that experience. Anytime I travel, I always take essential oils with me, either for the hotel to make sure that it's sanitized with my On Guard, the Digestive, because you're never quite sure if the food that you get is going to agree with you. Peppermint oil, lavender, Serenity for sleeping. I could go on, but I never travel without my oils. Ever feel like you just can't keep going and you need a nap, but you don't have time for a nap because you need to get something done? Here is the regimen for you. Wild orange, peppermint, and Mito Max 2. You get stamina and more aerobic capacity with these additions to your life. So it's really important to start to learn about how we can use these oils. And I'm happy to connect with you. I've got a team of leaders, of wellness advocates that's happy to connect with you and teach you just this way by reading about these oils, learning what they do, one oil at a time, smelling them, putting them on, giving them a try. Even the Lifelong Vitality pack for your daily regimen for health and wellness. Try that. Just try it for 3 weeks and then go 1 week without. I'm telling you what, it will prove itself to you. And if it doesn't work for you, you know what? You get your money back. So it's worth a try. So what I'm going to challenge you with today is to pick an oil that you would like to learn about or experience and give me a call. You can reach me I'll give you my phone number. It's 724-263-0304. And set up a one-on-one appointment with me, or I can lead you to people in my team. If you want to meet someone else and work with them, if you want to start your own business, get involved right now. Get involved. Give me a call. I'll get you involved, and I'll start when you're ready, which should be soon, because I'm here to help you. I will bring people to you, and you can be part of the team, and we will grow your team. And you can help people find a better way to live. Less toxins, more vitality, healthier you, healthier family, healthier life. So please reach out to me. Let me know how I can help you. And I look forward to meeting you again on our next call. Have a great day.